This is a Concord footprint vent. I got this at Habitat yesterday for $36. And it's got beveled glass, 5-blade flywheel right here, and a decorative sideband, like I mentioned about in the video of the ceiling fans at Habitat. Well, yeah. Anyways, I will go ahead and plug it in for you, and I'll demonstrate it. Here's a light. And I will demonstrate for you, starting off with low. Medium. Just wobble a bit since it's in a box, but hopefully it won't wobble when on the ceiling. Alright. Here's high. Sorry for the background noise. The snowflakes are hitting the ceiling. And I'll shut it off. There you have it for the 4-blade configuration. Now here it is with 5 blades. I will demonstrate beginning with the light kit. And there's low. Medium. High. Well, yeah. So that's it. Except, oh yeah, here's the Concord logo. Here it is. Okay, there you have it. That's my Concord footprint vent ceiling fan with beveled glass, and hope you enjoyed.